Welcome everyone to the Violetverse product demo. As you can see here, this is our front page, and over to the right, you have your user profile, your dashboard, wallet, and settings, and you can also log out. So if you go to the profile, you're able to access the creator dashboard if you are a contributor, and you can also edit your profile, put your name, a bio, and your Twitter. You press save, and it also tells when the last time you updated your profile, which means like if you also updated your photo. Let's go over to the creator dashboard. Say I am a writer, contributor of Violetverse, and I want to contribute a post. I would go to create post. You put your title. You can also put your category, and then you can put your video, what type of video you'd like. It takes URL links, and then you can write your subtitle, which is also SEO optimized. You have your job caption, which is the style of the Violetverse, the editorial style. And then you can set it to draft post if you're not done. And this is your Web3 technology. You can make it token gated by naming your price. And then you once you have all this information set up, which is required for SEO, you can press create post, and it will automatically generate a page title. This is the video, what it looks like, and then within the page we have our tip the creator button. So if you were a reader, or you wouldn't tip yourself because you're logged in as yourself, but if you were on a specific page, you can send this person 100 tokens if you like what they say. There's also an edit button. So we have our digital fashion podcast that's hosted by Julia, one of our VV creators. So we have individual bylines, which are article NFT optimized, and with my permission, the admin position, I can edit the post. I can set it back to draft post. I can token gate it. So that is one other feature. So let's go back to the dashboard. You can also have a view draft page. If you are a publisher managing 10 writers or 10 seats, you can have a page to review and approve unpublished posts. So this is what your dashboard looks like. You can put them as tiles, or you can include them. And this is everyone it's about 24. This is every post that has not been posted to the verse. So yeah, and I want to show you every member comes with a wallet page, which could be a rewards dashboard, loyalty points, and individual profiles can send VV tokens back and forth to Flow Address, which is the blockchain that we're powered on. But if we were powered on Polygon or Ethereum, you can send tokens with that native blockchain's token. And we also, so you can log out, and we also have the community page. And then this is our enterprise page. So this is kind of what it looks like now. It's probably going to change, but we just wanted to put something here for anyone that is looking to have their own token gated content. Okay. This is a little bit about our product demo for Q1 2023. And yeah, I will see you on the verse.